looks good.
Yeah, I think he was probably trying to think of all the debris that was left.
Yeah, we can break up the debris and burn it, so that's not a big deal. Got the little black that little black thing over there. Yeah, I thought it was gonna pour down rain on me. I was praying that I could at least finish what I had to do here.
Are they missing the laundry room? Are you getting blower for them?
Here's a blower.
The Big Daddy.
Old school.
Straight.
I graduated from Yardwork University. I'm telling you,
What do you think about my shed? All that organization, like everything's.
I don't know if you saw it before.
Oh well.
now you'll be able to see all the skinks in there now.
You can see what's in there. You can definitely see the tools.
Love the skinks.
You love what?
The skinks.
The skink. Yeah. So what do you want me to do with that? I need to finish this deck. But that looks great. It was starting to rain. I'm sure you've seen it on the camera where it got really dark and the wind was blowing bad. And I know you got covered with mud. But yeah, you got covered with mud. Tried to wipe it all off once I got inside, took a shower. Got all the mud off of me because, yeah, much better. Much better. Let me get the bring this around. Yeah, much better. Much better. Get them roaches away from the bedroom. Yeah, I need to get up there and chainsaw this branch, what I can reach here, and finish chainsawing that other piece of wood that's laid in the backyard. Ah, it feels so nice out here now. It didn't rain and we were able to finish that pressure cleaning. Very nice.
There we go.
Alright, I'm going to go take a break. Yeah, we'll come back, but this looks awesome. Awesome. I'm going to go ahead and pressure clean this and the carport again with a real pressure cleaner. It'd be nice. He's going to leave it here for a little bit. Look at them jalapenos and look at the cucumbers, tomatoes, bell pepper, eggplant. banana peppers, onions, and somewhere under there is corn on the cob. Yeah, I don't know who. Maybe Jessica? Maybe she put it all up. Update of the yard. 7 o'clock. We just ordered some Hungry Howie's pizza. And we still got some tools out. But those hedges are all trimmed. The little trees are all trimmed. There's other hedges, and all those hedges are all trimmed. And over here, got the fire going, burning some stuff. Some of those things do have thorns.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've ripped my foot across them a couple times.
Oh no.
Yeah, I got the trimmers and trimmed those things off. You gonna throw some trees on top? That whole pile over there?
I'm letting it kind of melt down a bit. I've just poked it.
I ordered a pizza. I got the
ordered the
pepperoni
pizza.
duo, the Hungry Howie special, and cheesy bread.
Nice. Oh yeah, baby.
There we go. Now it's cooking.
I could probably put some more on there. We need to rinse the toes off though.
It's so clean. Yeah, I brought all those over so she can pile them in the fire. Yeah, I gotta finish doing this one, but see how it'll look when it's done? Did it get yucky? It might have. You want to help me bring that down? Over here? I kind of wanted to bring it all back down here so we could sit.
I didn't realize he cut down this. What is that called again? Wedding?
He trimmed it up. He didn't cut it all down.
Just pull it up like 6 or 8 feet so it's not blocking the walkway here. See what I'm talking about?
Stay over here, Levi.
You okay to drive right now?
Just gotta pull it forward.
I know. Just pull it forward so the butt's not in the way of this walking path.
Ooh, that's gonna be a fire.
Well, eventually.
Actually, Austin. Well, maybe I should use the hedge trimmers on that. I'll keep the.
Yeah, I'm just gonna put them up so nobody steals them.
I'll use these though.
For what, this?
Yeah.
We can use the hedge trimmers that Momo got. Just do that.
Hedge trimmers.
Stay over here. Alright, hopefully she don't run
Alright.
nothing over. She just needs to go forward a little bit.
You think this is going to be safe?
Yeah. You see my pallets, didn't you?
I didn't see it overflowing like that. That's good. That's good. How's she going to get out right now? No?
I think there's still room to get out. There's a little walk-in area over
That
there.
probably shouldn't be there.
I know, but it's a pink one.
They're rare?
No, but she only has 2 of them. So she wanted to keep it, but
It's literally going to be huge.
Wanna do it now?
The whole thing up. Oh, well, yeah. She got it right there. I don't know how good that is. Watch out for that line behind your head.
I know.
The power line.
I'm not sure if it's
That cable line or whatever it is.
It's okay. That's all right.
You wanna?
Go ahead. You can cut it all the way through the freaking lattice. It don't matter to me none. It'll probably be better all the way back through the lattice. Come on, Levi. Up here. Come here. Get up here. Right here. Good. Stay right there. Day. Look at this guy. So pretty. Yeah, I thought it was going to storm on us earlier. Thank goodness. And this looks so much better. So much better. Yep, it went on over. Cooled us down. Got all the yard work done that we needed other than mowing. That's the last thing.
This looks so nice.
Yeah. Wait till we get the weed killer and get rid of all the weeds growing out of it.
Did we get that weed killer?
I did.
Push it back.
Look at that. That is a God-given sky. So pretty.
All right. Rest some.
Ma'am,
Why don't you sit down and rest
I'm
some?
going to get my Gatorade.
Okay.
I'm going to go to the house, get a shower, and I'll be right back. Get some inside.
Okay, because it's